Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Tokyo franchise business package ideas. In 1985, when the concept of fast food was rapidly entering the country, Tokyo saw the opportunity of bringing Japanese cuisine to the Philippines. The very first Tokyo restaurant opened on April 22, 1985, located at the Quad Car Park, now Glorietta. Tokyo built an incredibly dedicated following its combination of quality, value, and abundance. As of 2018, Tokyo is owned by Hansbury Inc. under the One Food Group, which also owns the Philippine franchise for KFC and Mister Donut. Today, Tokyo has grown to an established name in Filipino dining, making its mark as the pioneer and the #1 Japanese restaurant in the country. Their mission: to make everyone experience a taste of Japan. At Tokyo, they continuously strive to provide customers with high-quality Japanese dishes. Over the years, they have become the country's #1 Japanese food chain, bringing Japan closer to Filipinos. With more than 80 stores nationwide and counting, they aim to make Japanese food accessible to everyone. The Tokyo products. It was the only Japanese restaurant that offered unlimited rice with its dishes, which grew to be some of the Filipino diners' most popular cravings. While other Japanese restaurants at the time focused on delivering more traditional experiences, Tokyo strove to give its customers a modern, mainstream approach to Japanese cuisine. With innovation as one of its food promise pillars, Tokyo is known for its signature Japanese dishes such as prawn tempura, beef mizuno, pork tonkatsu, bento meals, ramen, and the well-loved red iced tea. The following are the menus of Tokyo: signature tempura bentos, umami fried chicken plates, donburi, sumo and group meals, platters for sharing, ramen, burgers, a la carte bento, a la carte donburi, bestseller trays, maki and sides, desserts and drinks, and lastly, snackables. For the franchising, join them in their mission of bringing a taste of Japan to every Filipino through franchising. Tokyo offers franchise opportunities to interested parties. They aim to further expand and continuously offer customers with their high-quality, delicious yet affordable Japanese dishes. The benefits and services. Partnering with them provides you the following. Number 1. Access to Tokyo's trademarks and signature products. Number 2. A proven and efficient system for opening and operating a restaurant chain. Number 3. Project management to cover all necessary requirements from planning to construction. Number 4. Continuous training, operational, and marketing support to help your store reach its maximum potential. For the franchising process. Number 1. Submit the initial franchise requirements, the letter of intent or LOI, the location map of the proposed site and floor plan. Number 2. The preferred site will be evaluated and validated within 3 weeks. Number 3. Undergo the screening process with Tokyo Franchising Department. Number 4. Applicants will be informed 3 weeks after the screening process if they pass and the site is approved. And lastly, number 5. Once approved, go to Tokyo head office for the contract signing of franchise and management agreement along with the franchise payment. For the franchise packages, the franchise fee is worth 1.4 million pesos. The total investment starts at 14 million pesos for a franchise term of 10 years, and the estimated payback or ROI is 5 years. Other fees includes the royalty fee, which is 5% of the sales, advertising fee, which is 4% of the sales, management fee, which is 2.5% of the sales. For the minimum area requirement, the floor area of 90 to 150 square meters for mall stores. The franchise package includes store construction, furniture and equipment, operating fund, training of personnel, and pre-opening requirements. For the contact details, please contact Tokyo, the franchise management, with the address 7th floor Ramcar Center Building, 8282 A. Roses Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Philippines. You may contact their mobile number at 0917-865-9622. You can send them an email at franchising@tokyotokyo.ph. You can also visit their Facebook and Instagram account at Tokyo Philippines. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Tokyo today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.